Okay, so let's now take a look at subtracting polynomials. So to subtract polynomials, you want to do it's really two steps. It should happen pretty quickly. You want to use the distributive property. You want to use the distributive property to remove parentheses. And then you want to combine like terms. So let's talk about that step one for a minute. So let's say we had, let's do an example here. Right, let's say we had 4x squared minus 3x plus 6 subtract x squared minus 7x plus 8. So this first step is really talking about this part. So you want to use the distributive property to remove the parentheses. So in other words, you want to distribute this negative sign all the way through, so that becomes a minus x squared and a positive 7x and a negative 8. So this is the place where most people make the most mistakes when doing subtraction. They don't distribute all the way through. If you do the distribution step properly and carefully, then the rest of it is simple. It's just combining like terms. So now it's a matter of moving things around if you want to, or putting them in columns if you want to, and combine the like terms. So I'm just going to move things around so that we can see the like terms next to each other. And so 4m minus 1, that's 3x squared, minus 3m plus 7, that's plus 4x, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, and that's it. That's how you subtract polynomials. Let's do another one to subtract polynomials. Let's say we had x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 6. So again, I don't know whether for you also using a highlighter would be helpful. If it is, go ahead and do that so you're aware that the minus sign has to spread all the way through. Minus 4x squared minus 7x minus 6, and then over here I have x squared minus 5x plus 4, and then I'm going to use the commutative property to move things around. So x squared minus 4x squared minus 5x minus 7x plus 4 minus 6, and now we combine like terms. So this is a 1, remember, so that's a negative 3x squared, that's a minus 12x, and then that's a minus 2. That's it for subtraction. If you want, tell you what, maybe just thinking whether I should do a problem with some fractions in it, and you're probably sitting there going, yes, okay, so I'll do one with fractions in it and see where it goes from there. So let's say we had 1/12 x minus 5/12 plus 7/12 x plus 11/12. There's nothing to it, just simply combine like terms just like you would before. So this is 1/12 x. I'm going to move the x terms next to each other. 7/12 x minus 5/12 plus 11/12. So this is 8/12. Now we are lucky, had a common denominator, so we're just going to use it. Plus 5, negative 5 plus 11, that's going to be 6/12. So don't leave your answer like this, always reduce fractions as much as possible. So over here I can reduce this by 4 and get 2/3, and over here I can reduce this by 6 and get 1/2, and there is your final answer. That's it.